Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to open a Bank of America account. First, you must be a US resident or have an ITIN SSN for non-citizens. Then you must be of minimum age of 18 or 16 with a parent guardian for student accounts. There are some required documents you need like government issued ID, social security number or ITIN, proof of US address. Then these are the steps to take. One, you visit Bank of America's website. Select an account, is it checking or savings account, and fill out the application. In person, you can visit a Bank of American branch to documents for same day approval. Or with a non-resident, you can just know that some accounts allow ITIN holders. You can call Bank of America support for assistance. After opening the account, you have to fund your account with initial deposit of about $25 to $100. It varies depending on the account type. Then you transfer the funds via debit card, wire transfer, or mobile check deposit. Then the last step is the approval, where you get instant approval if you're online, or same day approval if you're in person. You can receive a debit card within 5 to 7 business days, and you can use the Bank of America mobile app for banking. Please note, if you're a non-US resident, Bank of America primarily serves US residents. Non-residents may need to visit a branch to explore international banking options. If you need help, call Bank of America at 1-800-432-1000 or visit a local branch. So in quick summary, who can apply? US residents or ITIN holders. Documents needed are ID, SSN, ITIN, and proof of address. You can apply online or in person. The deposit required is $25 to $100. You can get your account and card instantly if you're online, or same day if you visit the branch. Now here are some alternatives for non-residents. If you can explore Bank of America International Services or other banks like Chase or CITA or CITI. Hope you found this video helpful.